And new information about a woman tasered by police nearly a year ago. We are learning why she died. Hello, everyone. She threatened police from her wheelchair and died shortly after they tasered her.
Now we're learning how a Green Cove Springs woman died. It's our big story at 5:30. 56-year-old Emily Delafield died in April of last year after a confrontation with police at her home. Green Cove Springs officers say Delafield was armed with 2 knives and a hammer and would not give up her weapons. So they tasered her. Channel 4's Casey Black is live now. She's talked with Delafield's family and their lawyer. Casey?
Well, Rob, in this death certificate, the medical examiner ruled Delafield's death as a homicide. The assistant state attorney said that the officer's actions were justified. The family, though, disagrees.
I want answers. You got it.
Ryan Delafield says he'll never forget the night he received a phone call telling him his aunt had been tasered and later died at the Orange Park Medical Center.
And I was like, what? She had been what? I'm like, what the blankety blank's going on down there?
It was April of last year when Delafield's family called 911 saying she had armed herself with 2 knives and a hammer and was threatening to kill them. Investigators say when officers arrived, they tried to take her into custody peacefully to no avail. This report states that the officers consulted with the family, asking them if it was okay that they use their tasers. The report says that the family gave the officers permission. But Ryan Delafield says that the officers never should have asked the family because he says they're the experts. He says his aunt never should have been tasered, let alone 10 times.
When I found out she had been tasered 10 times for 2 minutes, it's almost like was she on death row at Rayford, old Sparky, still in effect, instead of lethal injection, because I don't know how much you weigh. I don't know, if I get tasered 10 times for 2 minutes, I think I'm a pretty healthy individual. I don't know if I'm going to survive that.
According to this report, she used her taser 9 times for a total of 116 seconds. As for the other officer, he discharged his taser only once for a total of no more than 5 seconds. Rick Alexander is representing the family.
We're going to follow where the evidence leads, but, just right on the face of it, that's pretty shocking.
The division chief for the Clay County State Attorney's Office stated that the officers were justified in tasing Ms. Delafield. The report goes on to say, however, that the officers could have opted not to tase Ms. Delafield with 2 separate tasers. Additionally, the officers could have decided upon a different approach once they realized that their tasers were not causing Ms. Delafield to drop her weapons. Well, and Rick Alexander, again, who is representing the family, says he will be filing suit here in state court and also in federal court. Reporting live downtown, Casey Black, Channel 4, the local station.